May 14, 1973. Skylab, America's first space station, launches and disaster strikes just 63 seconds after liftoff. Its vital micrometeoroid shield, also a sunshade, is ripped away, leaving Skylab exposed to the sun's full fury. Temperatures inside soar past 126 degrees. Sensitive equipment is at risk, and toxic gases begin to seep from the walls. NASA faces a nightmare, a multi-billion-dollar tomb in orbit before a single astronaut arrives. The solution? Not a complex machine, but a thin, metallized polymer film, originally designed for other space missions. Engineers race to create a giant reflective parasol, a last-ditch shield astronauts must deploy in a daring spacewalk. The fate of Skylab and the future of American space exploration rests on this shimmering sheet. Here's the twist. The same technology that saved Skylab is available to you today. For as little as $15, you can use the direct descendant of Skylab's life-saving shield to protect your home from the summer sun. This isn't a museum relic. It's a practical, affordable solution. Born from crisis in space, this secret can slash your energy bills and make your home a cool, resilient sanctuary. The story of Skylab's rescue is more than history. It's a blueprint for comfort and savings. Let's uncover how this space-age innovation can transform your home. We're about to connect the cold emptiness of space with the comfort of your living room. You'll discover the science behind this simple film and why it's one of the most effective tools for managing home energy costs. We'll reveal how your windows are the main culprit for summer heat gain and how NASA's solution can help. You'll see how this metallized film reflects solar energy and how you can use it at home. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply this technology yourself. No special skills required. Get ready to transform your home with a forgotten secret born in the stars. The sun's energy bombards our homes, and most of the unwanted heat sneaks in through our windows, not the walls or roof. The Department of Energy says up to 30% of your cooling costs come from heat gain through glass. Infrared light, invisible but powerful, streams through windows, turning your home into a greenhouse. A single sunlit square foot of glass can let in more heat than a small space heater. Multiply that by all your windows, and your air conditioner is fighting a losing battle. Curtains and blinds only block heat after it's already inside. To truly stop the sun's heat, you need to block it before it enters. That's the challenge NASA faced, and the solution they pioneered is available for your home. Focus on your windows, and you can break the cycle of high summer bills. Let's see how space technology became your secret weapon. Skylab's sunshield was gone, and the station was baking in orbit. NASA engineers turned to metallized mylar, a feather-light plastic film coated with aluminum, reflecting up to 97% of thermal radiation. They designed a giant collapsible parasol, packed it with the first crew, and sent them on a daring rescue mission. Astronauts painstakingly deployed the shimmering film in space, shielding Skylab from the sun. Temperatures inside dropped from deadly to comfortable within hours. The mission was saved, and the crew could finally begin their work. This simple film, lighter than cloth and stronger than steel by weight, became a legend in thermal control. Its legacy? A technology that would soon find its way back to Earth. The same principle that saved Skylab can now save your home from the summer heat. Let's see how. After Skylab, Architects and engineers saw the potential of this reflective film for Earth's buildings. Glass skyscrapers became heat traps, until solar control window film, adapted from NASA's technology, changed everything. Applied directly to windows, it blocked the sun's heat before it entered, slashing cooling costs. Commercial buildings embraced it, saving millions in energy and making offices more comfortable. Yet, for decades, this technology was a well-kept secret, used in office towers, but rarely marketed to homeowners. Why? The energy and window industries profit from selling more energy and expensive replacements, not simple, affordable films. Homeowners were left in the dark, battling heat with inefficient methods. The result? A powerful, proven solution hiding in plain sight. Now it's time to bring this secret home. The window industry pushes costly replacements as the only answer to summer heat. But replacing all your windows can cost tens of thousands, out of reach for most families. Solar control window film offers a smarter, affordable alternative. It's a simple DIY project, requiring minimal tools and a fraction of the cost. Modern films block up to 99% of UV rays and nearly 80% of infrared heat, comparable to high-end windows. The payoff? Lower bills, cooler rooms, and a return on investment in months, not decades. The energy industry has little incentive to promote this. Don't fall for the myth that only expensive upgrades work. Take control with a NASA-inspired solution that's accessible to everyone. Let's see how easy it is to install. Installing solar control film is easy. No special skills required. Gather a spray bottle with water and a drop of baby shampoo, a squeegee, utility knife, tape measure, and paper towels. Clean your window thoroughly. Any dust or grease will cause bubbles. Measure and cut the film about an inch larger than your window. Spray the glass generously with your soap solution. Peel the liner from the film, spraying the adhesive side as you go. Apply the film to the wet glass, slide it into position, and squeegee out bubbles from the center outward. Trim the excess film with your knife, using the frame as a guide. Squeegee the edges again for a tight seal. The film may look cloudy at first, but it will clear as it dries, leaving you with a crystal-clear protective shield. This simple film does more than cut your energy bills. It blocks up to 99% of UV rays, protecting your floors, furniture and artwork from fading. It shields your family's skin and eyes from harmful sunlight. In case of breakage, it helps hold glass together, reducing injury risk. For a small investment, you gain comfort, safety and resilience. Benefits once reserved for astronauts and office towers. Your air conditioner works less, lasting longer and saving you money. You're not just saving cash, you're making your home a safer, more comfortable place. All thanks to a forgotten NASA breakthrough. This space-age secret shouldn't stay hidden. Share what you've learned with friends, family and neighbours. Many are struggling with high bills, unaware of this simple fix. Join the community. Share your experiences, tips and results in the comments below. Every conversation spreads empowerment and savings. Post this video, talk about it, and help others discover the $15 NASA secret. Together, we can turn a forgotten chapter of space history into a mainstream solution for everyone. Let's honor Skylab's legacy by making our homes cooler, smarter, and more resilient.